Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to fix the Minecraft launcher error code 60. So before going to the video, please turn on your CC for subtitle. So first of all, our first step is to restart the PC. So it will eliminate your temporary issues on your game file. So please do restart your PC and then check whether the issue is solved or not. If not, follow the second step. The second step is to clean cache files. For that, please press Windows R and type %app data % and then hit enter. Over here you need to find .minecraft folder and enter into the folder. Over here you need to delete web cache and log files as shown on the video. Please delete those files. Yeah, once you delete it, please close it. And our third step is to sign out and sign in once again in the Minecraft as well as your Xbox. So for that, if you are using Minecraft launcher, please enter into the game file and at the top left you may see your profile. Click the profile. Over there you may see logout option. Please click the logout option to log out from the Minecraft launcher. So if you are using Xbox, same you need to do for Xbox too. You need to open your Xbox and then you need to log out and log in again. Yeah, same as on the profile, you may see the logout sign out option. You may sign out and sign in again for better. So our fourth step is to reset Microsoft Store. For that you need to press Windows R button. So once you press, the run command will open. Over there you need to type wsreset.exe. once you click OK, it will open Microsoft Store. Yeah, to reset the Microsoft Store, it automatically open and reset. Sometimes it's automatically close, or else we need to manually close once it's done. So our fifth step is to run system file check. For that you need to enter into your command prompt and please make sure you need to enter on run as administrator mode, and you need to type first prompt as sfc space /scan now and then hit enter. And guys, it will take a large time from 1 to 100. Have some patience to wait on it. I'm just speeding up my video for your betterment. Yeah, so the second prompt is to type dism space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health and then hit enter. Yeah, it also may take a large time from 1 to 100. Have some patience to wait on it. So once it's done, please close it and you need to enter into your settings. On the settings you need to enter apps to reset and repair the Minecraft launcher. So search for Minecraft launcher and enter into the advanced option. Once you enter into the advanced option, you can repair and reset Microsoft Store. And only one thing is in the reset is, if you click reset, it will reset. And once you enter into the Minecraft launcher, you need to give the credential once again. So our next step is to same as do for Xbox if you are using Xbox. Yeah, meanwhile if you turn on the reset, you need to give the credential once again to login. So our seventh step is to repair gaming service. For that you need to enter into the PowerShell as run as administrator mode, and over there you need to type the prompt which is in the description. Please copy and paste the prompt over there and then hit enter. It automatically review your gaming service. If you have gaming service, it will ask for update. If not, it try to install it. So once it's done, please close it. And our last step is to reinstall the Minecraft launcher by uninstalling the Minecraft launcher and then reinstall the launcher to solve the issue. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.